Hey guys, this is Jimmy from Jimmy's DIY, and you're watching the Jimmy's DIY with the entire Jimmy's DIY crew. Today we're going to install Cyberbeam mud flaps on my Tesla Model Y. Well, I should say our Tesla Model Y. So my little guy is going to show you guys the mud flaps that we are picking up and show them. All right, we purchased these. These are not sponsored, and after this video I will also do a review around 6-month mark to see how they hold up. It is spring in New York, and hoping that these will last the winter and the grime. So how are we gonna prepare this area? So the mud flaps, we're gonna have to clean this area right here, the wheel well, before we do the installation. Now these are the new generation mud flaps because they do have like a little screw area on the bottom to improve the rigidity of the mud flaps and the mounting. So on Tesla you'll have to install one over here and one in the front behind the wheel. So alright, let's get started. So for today's video you're gonna need a 10mm socket wrench and a small ratchet and a small flathead screwdriver and your mud flaps.
These are for the front.
Let's show the other ones.
And these are for the rear. Oh, there. My bad. This is the rear.
Alright, so we're gonna start off cleaning this area. I just got a little small brush, and we're gonna make sure it's all cleaned up here
I think so.
on the bottom as well. And I'm gonna only show like one side, driver side, so the process is the same on the passenger side too. And move. There are 2 rivets here, the plastic ones, 1 and 2, and then there's a screw, 10mm hex screw on the bottom, and I'm gonna literally show you guys right now. So these, one here and one here. These are the 2, and then on the bottom you're gonna basically remove this one. This notch basically fits into this liner right here, and then you're simply gonna put it on and put the screw or the bolt that we took off originally. And can I get this? When you tighten the bolt, don't over tighten it because it's tightened into the plastic. So
Me?
I just left it a little loose, so this way I have a little play in the mudguard right now, so I could do the adjustment. Alright, so you plug in this one and this one. For some reason this side is super tight and it's not going in, so I'm just going to leave as is, and then you just tighten on the bottom. Now we're going to move to the front one. For the front, you're going to open up these 2 rivets. Again, it's on the very front, so simply just lift it up with the screwdriver gently and it pops right out. Flathead. There's a little wedge right here. If you take a look, the way it works is there is this wedge right here, this wedge, and then you simply go like this. It should open up, and then you pull it right out. And you're gonna take this. So these 2 clips should clip in, and then on the side here when you mount it. So it's like just like that. So now you see here it holds itself, and you just gotta put the clips back on. Now I'm pretty sure you could use the factory clips too. It's about the same size. The new one that I got is slightly larger or longer to compensate for the thickness that the Mudguards have. you go. And that's how simple it is. So I'm gonna save the original ones in the Ziploc, so this way, just in case I have to remove these. All right, and that's all it is for the installation of the mudguards for the Tesla Model Y. Alright guys, so just wanted to show this rivet was a little bit larger, so it wasn't going in. So I had received two front one extra, the small ones, and I installed this one right here, the front one. So just a learning thing from myself. If you are using the same brand, you want to use the front two extra clips to install on the rear top screw, or I mean the top rivet area, because I assume there is a less space, so that's why the rivet wasn't going in. And I had to basically force this one out because I had tried to push it in before, and that's the only reason. Otherwise, now it's sitting flush, so this is how it's supposed to be. So I technically used the one that I had from the front. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.